What?
Oh, God. What are you doing? We'll put a piece on top and then we'll put something into the sides.
Yeah.
So we need a piece of 540.
What?
What? We could have got away without doing that. We could have done it that way.
Put it on the end and I'm thinking that when
You would
you're
have
doing it. Yeah.
We'll move it along then.
What are you doing?
Like that.
Now what are you going to do?
We've got a new piece of wood.
So
So it's 540 plus 40 now. 580.
580.
Which would have been that piece that we just cut off.
I know. New piece of wood.
We ain't got any. We ain't got any that size. Oh God. Oh God.
Come on, get me some screws.
Oh God.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
See it?
No. I hope the camera's not working.
What?
We did it again.
What do you mean?
Doesn't matter.
What do you mean it don't
Doesn't
matter?
matter because we'll screw that in.
What do you mean
And we'll
we did
sit
it
the
again?
wood on top.
What sort of what do we?
Yeah, no, but we could have screwed. We could have
Oh.
made it longer and screwed into the face.
Oh yes. Yeah, but then
It should be right. It should be level. Yeah. Well,
yeah.
that needs cutting anyway.
We measured it right. Oh,
It's 610.
right.
And what's the board?
610, what is it?
So yeah.
Right,
What's that?
610.
That can't be 610.
Why?
Because 610's to the top of that.
610?
Yeah, to the top of it.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, so we'll cut the board 610. Or do we cut it 620 and then we've done what we've done here? Thinking of doing it yourself.
Yeah, you just tell me what
You
to
just
do.
give us all the scraps of wood and we'll make it up.
Yeah.